Hi, my name is Vinod Bhole and I am a working professional with more than 34 years of experience. And initially I was not very clear on the PMP certification, but after attending Mr. Saurabh Parikh's learning sessions during his 4-day classroom sessions, all my doubts are got cleared. Before appearing for this classroom session, I was with plain set, but Saurav sir has given us his 27 years of experience and practical experience and difficulties share how the project management is. So it had cleared all the doubts, and now we are all set to take a further step into certifications. Thanks to Mr. Saurav.